Water has been called the universal solvent, which means although water in its purest form is simply H2O, it has the ability to carry and hold many other contaminants. These contaminants come in many forms, which can have a negative impact that may be harmful to you and your family's health or affect your home. You may have recently discovered that there is something in your drinking water that is giving you cause for concern. To figure out and solve what could be in your drinking water, you need to first look at the clues. To that end, the Know Your H2O team has developed the Path to Clean Water featuring the Self-Diagnostic Tool. What are the steps along the path to clean water? Step 1. Get an initial diagnosis. Step 2. Get tested. Step 3. Get expert advice. And Step 4. Get treatment. Step 1. Get an initial diagnosis using the Self-Diagnostic Tool. What is the Self-Diagnostic Tool? Think of it as your own digital detective for water issues. The Self-Diagnostic App is the brainchild of geologist and water problem expert Brian Oram. Over many years of working with a variety of clients, he saw a pattern to how he asked questions when he first engaged with customers to understand their water issues. The answer to those questions were clues that would lead to a preliminary diagnosis. That diagnosis would then determine the next steps that included formal testing and the implementation of a treatment solution. So how does the Self-Diagnostic Tool work? The tool is in the form of a questionnaire divided into 5 sections. They are coating and residue, dirt and discoloration, odors, taste, and house issues. For example, say you notice that over time a pink film forms in your bathtub or shower. In Section 1, Coatings and Residue, you'd select pink for the question under Color of Residue. Incidentally, this would be an indicator of pink bacteria. Or say you turn on your faucet and you find that the water is reddish-brown. In Section 2, Dirt and Discoloration, you would select reddish-brown for the question regarding color. This would indicate the presence of iron in your water. For the diagnosis to be as accurate as possible, all questions need to be answered to form the clearest picture. Many answers are interdependent, and whether you answer yes or no may determine an alternative conclusion. Once all questions are answered and submitted, our algorithm determines if your water may be compromised, and if so, the most likely cause. If you have any questions about your initial self-diagnostic test results, feel free to contact us. Step 2. Get tested. The diagnostic tool is designed to narrow your results from all the many things that could be wrong with your water to a few or even one probable contaminant or condition. Based on the results of the questionnaire, the self-diagnostic tool will recommend the next steps. You are then recommended only the most appropriate test kits that test specifically for those contaminants or conditions. Once your order is submitted, we'll send you the testing kit. You'll return the water samples for testing by a qualified laboratory, and then we'll send you the results. Step 3. Get expert advice. Once you've received your test results, we offer impartial advice on what your next step should be, such as treatment solutions or other ways of remediating your issues. Step 4. Get treatment. Once a treatment solution is determined, we can help you implement that treatment solution. From recommending a basic do-it-yourself product, determining the best equipment and coordinating the installation by a water professional, up to the installation of a commercial-sized solution. So if you have a water issue, go to knowyourh2o.com/diagnose and get on the path to clean water.